Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. Thank you very much for checking out the video. Let's start the video with a quick flip through of my December Pujo setup and 2022 setup. I kept my December theme very simple with some botanical line drawings, and 2022 setup theme was sunflowers. I put the link on I button and description too. Let's start the January setup with the cover page drawing. Bird and their home is my theme of January. After inking the outline with my cross, I add sky blue and lemon green on the background. I paint bird and birdhouse, and I add different shades of green to the leaves. I always hesitate to use darker shades, but it gives a spectacular result here. I use dark purple instead of grey here for the post. I always like to add some positive quote about my theme with my cover page. I want to sing like the birds sing, not worrying about who hear or what they will think. This is my January in a glance, and start with January page. Instead of making a big calendar, I draw a small calendar at the left corner and keep empty place for important dates and notes, plan and goals and braindump. And the right side I use for my start with section, physically and mentally. I like to set some targets for end of the January. I also illustrated a cute bird and its house at the right bottom corner of the page. This is my January habit tracker page. I prefer to write dates horizontally and my habits vertically. I also measure my productivity level and my screen time at the bottom, and my son's screen time too. As always, I write my Serenity Prayer at the top right corner. I love to read it every day before sleeping. I illustrated here two lovebirds are making their nest inside an old mailbox. we already reached to the most important page of my Bujo, my yoga workout page. Here I will keep track of my workout and weight to maintain my health and fitness. After writing the header and making place for my everyday yoga workout plan, I illustrated a bird making nest on the Tower of Cups. I write some positive words like thankful heart, dream, hope to add some positive vibe to my yoga page. This is the cover page of my journal of January. To keep my mind clutter-free, I briefly write down about my day before sleep. On demand of my son, I draw a bird family on their sweet home. After using Gouache, I add details with my polychromos. The result is very satisfying for me. I mostly like to set up my all weeklies together in Dutch door style. I illustrated some different types of birds in their real home. It takes lots of time to paint, but after finishing this, I feel really happy. I also add a mini calendar and a note section here. Before ending, let's take the final flip through. Thank you very much for watching. If you are enjoying the video, please subscribe and press the like button. I will coming very soon with new video. Till then, bye, stay safe, happy and healthy.